Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because in this video we are going to show you that how we can install or download Zorin OS, which is a best alternative of Windows 10 because Windows 10 support has been ended and you will not get any security updates onto the Windows 10 from the Microsoft. So Zorin OS, if you are using a old computer or medium type computer, then Zorin OS is a best alternative of Windows 10, and it will also give you almost same experience. So first of all, you have to type onto the Chrome browser Zorin OS download, and then you have to click on that. Once you click on that, they are also offering paid version as well, and you have to scroll down it. So core version is more than enough for us, and you will get a fantastic experience after installing the Zorin OS. So Zorin OS is basically a variant of Linux, and it is open source, so no need to worry about that. So just you have to click onto the download. Once you click onto the download, then you have to type your email address. You can give your email address. Let's say I'm giving my professional email address. So once you give your email address, then you have to subscribe and download, and you can also skip to download. So both options you have, and once you click it, and it will be the downloading will be started shortly. So you have to go see, this is saying that please check your inbox, and you will have a download link. So so we can click on that and it will be downloaded, or we can skip to download. So you can see that we just put the skip to download, otherwise I had to move on to the my inbox. So in order to save the time, I just click on that, but you can follow that technique as well. But obviously if you want to simply download it, just skip the step, and you want and just you can directly go for the download. So you can see that Zorin OS is being downloaded in front of us, and it would take around 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to stop this video. Once it is done, I will be back. So downloading is almost done, and you can see that, and it will be finished shortly. And till that time, we are downloading the Rufus software in order to make the bootable USB. So type Rufus. Let me correct the spelling. Then you have a first link, then you have to click on that and then scroll down it, and then you have to download a latest version, standard. Just click on to the download, and it will be downloaded shortly. So you can see that Rufus has been downloaded. So ISO is almost done, and wait for a second. So it is taking time, so I'm going to stop this video. It will be downloaded shortly. I think my internet is getting slower, so I'll be back shortly. So Rufus has been downloaded, and I have double click on it, and now it is open. So we have to select our USB. Once we select our USB, then we have to select the respective ISO, Zorin OS, and we have to click on it, and then we have to select our respected partition. So you can check your Windows partition, let's say if you have already Windows 10, so you can go on to the computer management, and then you have to click onto the disk, and then you have to right click on it, and then properties. Once you inside the properties, then you have to select onto the volume, so you can see that it's GPT format. So if you have already Windows 10 and it is onto the, definitely it will either onto the MBR format or onto the GPT format, so you have to take care of that. But if you have a very fresh PC or new PC, then you can select either one of them. So we will keep with the GPT format, and then you have selected the drive, we have selected the ISO, you have selected the respective partition, and now it is good to go. So let's start. So recommended mode, so just click OK, and it will give you data loss warning. So obviously we are going to make our USB as a bootable drive, so definitely it will format first. So click OK, and you can see that process has been started. So once the bootable USB is ready, I will get back to you. So finally bootable USB of Zorin OS has been ready, and you can see that. So we are good to go. Let's move on to the system. So we have plugged in the USB of Zorin, and we are booting from these USB. So you can see that Zorin OS 10 is started. 18, sorry. Zorin OS 18 has been started, and if you don't know how to boot from the USB and how to do the first boot setting inside the BIOS, so I have created several videos on that, and you can check out on my channel. So Zorin OS is being booted. You can see that. Wait for a while. So you can see that a beautiful interface has been appeared in front of us. So now we are going to perform a fresh installation. So we will try Zorin, and if you guys have experience onto the Ubuntu installation, so you can see that almost their installation method is almost similar. So just try Zorin. So it will take around 5 to 10 seconds, not more than that, because of the Ethernet adapter is not connected right now. Obviously we are performing a fresh installation. So once you have this page, means this is a preview. So you can see that all the drivers, you can check out all the drivers, sound card is working, so everything is fine. So network connection is failed. Obviously my computer is not connected with the internet, that is the reason. And once I think everything is good to go, so we have to double click on it. Once you double click on it, then you have to wait for 10 to 20 seconds. Now you have the visit. So first of all, then you have to select English, continue. English, continue. Then in case of any missing driver, it will be downloaded from the internet, so you have to put this option checked, continue. Then you have to erase disk because we are performing a fresh installation, we are performing a new installation, so obviously we have to keep check on erase disk. Install now.
Make your computer easier to use. Windows will read and scan this list automatically.
Then you have to click onto the continue. Then you have to select your time zone and location as per your requirement. So you can give it the name over here. Password, and login automatically or require a password whenever you want to log in Zorin, sorry. So whenever you log in Zorin, so it will ask for the password, so it is good for the security. And let's continue. So once you're done, the installation has been started, so the files are being copied. Once the files are copied, then an installation will be started, and it would take around 25 to 30 minutes, not more than that. So I'm going to stop this video, and once it is done, I will be back. So installation has been done. Now we have to restart the PC. So once it is restarted, I will be back. So Zorin OS has been installed successfully. Now I'm going to log in it. So now the Zorin OS is ready to use, and let's explore some options. And the beautiful thing is that my internet connection is not connected right now. That is why we are getting the error from the Ethernet adapter. So once you click it, you can see that it is just like Windows 10, and here we have built-in Office as well. So you can see that so you have built-in Office. Just click on it. If you want to open Excel file, so here we have, so you can see that. So you can see that you can work all the Excel works here. You can also apply the formula. If you can see that formula is also working over there, and everything is good. And don't save. Let me show you Paint. So Paint, So you can see that. So almost all the options are there, and we have softwares. You can download the softwares. So you have available apps here. You can explore it, you can find, you can search it, and you, so all the things are here. So I think it's a best alternative of Windows 10, and you guys can use it, and it is pretty much lightweight as well. I can feel the performance of the system. So everything is good. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.